This is how we made a balloon blow up without actually blowing it up. Watch till the end of the video to see how it works. Welcome back guys to another video on Yummy Experiments. Today we're going to be doing a vinegar trick like we normally do, but it has a twist. What's the twist? You'll see. What you guys need for this experiment is you need a balloon, you need any vinegar, an empty bottle, and you need baking soda. Just right, I'm gonna stop. So what you need to do for this experiment is you need to take the baking soda and put it into the bottle. Once you put the baking soda into the bottle, you take the vinegar and you pour it into the bottle. Pour it.
Just tell me
slowly.
win.
More. Yeah, stop.
You didn't say
Stop,
win.
stop.
You didn't say win.
Win. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, then you take the balloon. Hold the camera.
Okay.
Take the balloon.
Come on, quick.
And you put the balloon over the lid. And look at it.
Whoa.
The gas is coming up, but it can't come out because the balloon's there. So now look at it.
And look there. And look
You see it
there.
up. Oh, and then it finally goes down.
Yeah.
And if you want it to go back up, then you're just gonna have to add. Come off.
Come on, use some muscle in it.
What? Actually, it just got back.
Okay.
So you actually didn't have to put in more baking soda. It just goes up and then it'll go down slowly. Oh, what? Look at that.
Wow.
And see, once the vinegar settles,
This is a crazy experiment.
it'll just stay up. Oh yeah, here's the packet that we used. You don't have to use this. We use like half of this. So you need like 5 grams of baking soda.
Muxin, I need you to help me win this battle.
Okay, once it's done, look, I'm gonna help. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye.